Alright, so welcome to Pbteck and Praise, and in this particular video I'm going to show you how you can actually install and then get a stable multi-TV signal on any FTA decoder that you are using. Multi-TV is basically an FTA channel, and using a plasma TV with an inbuilt satellite or using any FTA satellite receiver, you're going to get it anywhere that you are, provided you are using the required satellite dish, which ranging from 50 centimeters upwards. Any dish that you have, any smaller satellite dish, provided you have directed it towards the multi-TV satellite signal, you are probably gonna get a stable signal. So multi-TV is on the northeast 20 degrees, and then it's on the same lane as dstv satellite position. So the same lane, dstv is below the multi-TV signal on a satellite dish. So if you have a compass, an analog compass, you can use it to indicate your northeast anytime that you want to do an installation, or you can use a built-in compass on your smartphone. Most smartphones have a built-in compass, or can you download any app on your app store and then use it to locate your northeast or your direction anytime you want to do an installation. So we have different TPs and FTA channels. We have different TPs that you're going to use to track, but they have their unique TP that whenever you use to track, you're going to get a stable signal on it. And I know that multi-TV have some particular group of channels which are up to 30 channels from Joy Prime to Rema TV, and then they used to add some as well. So getting a stable signal, make sure that you get more of the signal quality, not less than 60%, in order for you to get more of the FTA channels around the multi-TV platform. If not, you're gonna get only the 30 channels or 28 channels. So we have different TPs. As I said earlier, the TP will be on your screen, but one unique TP that you're gonna use to track and then get it easier will be that 12525 vertical 30K 3000. So you add this TP on your finder or your satellite receiver. You can add it on any satellite name ranging from 23 degrees to at least 40 degrees or 45 degrees. That way, the satellite name on your finder or on your satellite receiver is just a name or a folder. So you can just add any TP over there. You can add a MultiTV TP in Eurotelsat, Hotbird, Astra, Intelsat, Arabsat, and then just use it to track. Okay, so with LMB position, since it's a vertical TP with a vertical in it, the LMB position have to be 2 o'clock or the 10 o'clock. I did a video that was explaining how you can actually position your LMB, so I'll place that video link up here. You can just watch that video and then know how you can actually position your LMB vertically, and then adjust it to get enough of the signal quality. You can adjust it whenever you are about to track, and you can also adjust it after getting a stable signal to know the maximum percentage in that area before tightening the dish and then scanning to get your channel. So with the scanning, you need to perform blind scan or super blind depending on the decoder and then the options that are available. Some decoders have only blind scan, others have both blind and then super blind. So you need to select the decoder that have super blind. You need to select the super blind in order for you to get more of the FTA channels. Alright, if this video is being helpful and you are new here, all you got to do is subscribe. You like the video, hit the bell icon, and then come back for more. Thanks for watching. Bless.